When we started this 5 years ago, Zandy's mantra was, let's go make memories, let's have fun, and also give back. Bring the guys that don't usually have the opportunity to do this, bring them in, teach them things quicker than we learn.
I told him we're never going to make any money at this. And he laughed. He said he didn't want to make money. He just wanted to have fun.
When my husband first came out here, he really wasn't a racer. We did rock crawling. He came back and said, I'm buying a car. And I thought, you're crazy. But after getting into it and seeing him progress and grow and learn, and then we started picking up other members on our team that are younger that have rock crawled with us, fallen in love with the sport, and we'll continue to try and help grow the next generation of the racers for this program.
Having a group, a team, really does help. It helps a lot more when everybody pulls together. You get new guys, you get old guys, people who've done it before, and of course that helps. But it's good to train and give back to the kids and teach them what we've been doing and all the hard lessons someone taught us at some point.
You see the family that you get from it, and I pray no one ever has to go through what I went through, but the support that you gain from it is just amazing, and the amount of love that's come from it has been a huge thing.
I've met a number of the rookies. I wish I had that when I was around.
The camaraderie is amazing. Like, everyone wants to help everyone, and I mean, we've had to ask a bunch of other people for help just for random stuff, and a bunch of other people have come up, and it's everyone helping each other. It's one of the coolest things. I mean, it's all over the off-road community, and then it's just magnified here how incredible it is.
So we had an accident yesterday. Car caught fire pre-running, big fire. I was devastated, all but in tears, and literally everybody has come together. I have people message me I've never talked to, I've never heard of. Leaving Vegas, leaving here, flying in here, what can we bring, what can we get you? And it's been phenomenal. It's saving the car.
I think everyone gets the start line. No one wants to beat someone because they weren't there. They want to beat everyone on their best day.
I would have not been able to do this without the rookie program. I've learned so much and met so many people and connections, and I'm so thankful for it.
This is my 12th time out here, and I'm still learning. Those guys are like catching me. They've been here a year.